Here we have a double yellow Amazon, and over here we have a yellow crown Amazon. These are our February babies. They are basically on a gratuity feeding, eating their pellet and dried fruits and fresh fruit and veggies very, very well. These are two of the sweetest babies ever, huh? Yeah. Yeah, I know. They like to groom my hair. They're already getting very, very vocal. They're good babies. They're my good babies. Yes, they are. Yes. Huh. Huh. You quit that. You quit that. Yes. Let me have it. I know. What? What?
So, are they hand feeding?
They are just on a gratuity feeding. They are weaned, but they see the other babies getting some, and so I give them just a few drops. They do not need it at all.
Okay, so what do we have?
This is a double yellow Amazon. This is a yellow crown Amazon. They are hatch date within February. Super, super sweet babies. If you're interested in these, please give us a call. Look us up on Corbett Birds on Facebook and our website at www.corbettbirds.com.